Hello and welcome to this video presentation. In this particular video, I want to demonstrate to you how to import a complete element from Logical. To do this, I go to the metal construction ribbon and there I can load the interface under import. Now the interface is being loaded and HiCAD automatically jumps into Logical to the projects. Here I currently have the listing of my projects where I can select my position and more. By clicking OK, the construction is created here, meaning the transfer file is generated here, and now in this case, Logical is already finished and I can import my position by clicking OK. Now you can see that HiCAD generates the import, meaning the conversion from D to D, and creates my position here in HiCAD. Now I can use the right mouse button to specify the center point or the insertion point, and thus I have created my construction in HiCAD. Of course, I could continue working with my section views at any time. In this case, I simply want to create a section, and I have immediately created my section here and could then continue working in my section view. It's that simple to very easily and seamlessly import a position from Logical and continue working with it. This position is, of course, still linked with Logical, meaning any changes I make in Logical or HiCAD will be transferred here. When I talk about changes, I am mainly referring to size changes.